Have you been looking for a way to host your WordPress pages, your website, or your blogs? Do you need a very fast, reliable, and secure host? Well, Hostley is your tool to do just that. With Hostley, you can host any of your websites and be sure that it is secure, be sure that it is fast, and also be sure that it is reliable. Welcome to Software Safari. My name is Toby and I'll be taking you through Hostley and all that it offers you. Once you log in with your email and your password, you can see the dashboard. On dashboard, you are told to take a look at the name servers and add them to Hostley. Once you're done with doing that, you can simply manage your hosting or view your drive, your reseller panel, your recommended tools, the other trainings available for you to explain how to use Hostley, the bonuses available, and support. We'll take a look at manage. When you're managing, you can see the products and services that are already available to you. These are the ones that have been purchased. And once you've purchased Hostley, you're given one for free if you already have your website, or you can get a website through the Hostley platform. You can simply view it. And you can choose to visit your website. You can take a look at some quick shortcuts like your email addresses, your forwarders, the autoresponders you have. You can manage your files and take a look at multiple shortcuts. From the dashboard, you can create a quick email address for your website. You can log into your CPanel, and when logging into your CPanel, you can take a look at all the information that has been made available for you through Hostley. You can see all the shortcuts that we've previously mentioned, your billing information, the files you have, the databases, your domains, and a lot more. Through the CPanel, you can take a look at your WordPress manager, and if you'd want, you can install WordPress to your website, and once you install it, you can create your website, make as many changes as possible. If you want to install, you simply click on install, or you can find existing WordPress installations that you already have on your account. You can simply click on start scanning. As you can see, we do not have any WordPress installed on our website, but if we did, you can simply choose to scan, then update that WordPress site. From our cPanel, we can also take a look at the blogs that we have, which can be from WordPress, from .clear, SitePad, B2 Evolution, Text Pattern, HTML or FlatPress. And we can see so many other tools. So many other tools. Hostley is a very good platform to host your website, and you can move from Hostley and be sure of secure, fast, and reliable connections. A link to Hostley is in the description of this video. Don't forget to like and comment if you found this video interesting. You're welcome to ask any questions that you may have or any clarifications that you may need. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.